All right, so you want to learn how to do your eyebrows. Now, I'm not saying I'm the best. I am not saying that I'm the best at eyebrows. By no means necessary am I the best, but I do know how to do a little 1-2. I said what I said. I know how to do a little 1-2. I know how to make it out the door and still look decent. First thing you want to do is you want to have a good brow gel. Now for me, I like to start off with doing my brows first, as far as putting the gel on first is what I'm saying. The one that I always use is the ABH Brow Freeze Gel. I absolutely love this. I have it in travel size. I have it in regular size. Like, I keep this on rotation. Love this hands down. Okay, so the first thing I do, I go ahead and after I do my skin prep and everything, then I go ahead and I put it on my eyebrows. I let that sit, let that do whatever. Sometimes I will wait, and do my makeup first, and then I will go and do my eyebrows, or I do my eyebrows first and then my makeup, last. It doesn't matter. But for me, I cannot go. I've tried it and it just doesn't work for me. Maybe I need to go to a professional. I'm not sure. But for me, I cannot do my eyebrows and then lock it in with gel. I don't know. It just don't work for me. And makeup is fun. And if it worked for you, kudos. It don't work for me. Okay? And then the next thing you want to do after that is dried and everything, you want to make sure you have a good eyebrow pencil. For me, these are my girls. These are my ladies right here. I like the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in Espresso. And then I also like the Maybelline Express Brow. This is like a nano one, and this is in dark brown. I'm sure it is. I don't have my readers on, so I can't see, but I'm sure it is. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes, because I'm sure that's why you're here. So again, I know how to do a little 1-2. I'm not saying I'm perfect or whatever, but after your eyebrow has dried down, you literally just want to follow the hair of your brow. And I like to do a little bit at the bottom, a little bit at the top. You see, I don't really have a tip, not too much, but I just like to do that. And then of course you can go in and clean up with a concealer, and definitely be light-handed. That much I have learned. And then I just add a little bit more right here. And like I said, it's not perfect, but it gets me out the door. Okay, it gets me out the door. I know somebody's gonna look at this and be like, oh my gosh, does she even know what she's doing? She's not even doing this and this and that. Who cares? Who cares? I'm not freaking saving lives here. It's makeup, like chill out, relax. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is what I do. And then, like I said, I will just take a little bit of concealer and clean it up. So just give me a second and I will do the other one. Okay, so both eyebrows are on. This one came out better than this one. It's always gonna be like that. I don't know why. For me, like my eyebrows, they are siblings. They are not like necessarily twins, but again, a little 1-2, that's all I need. But to clean it up, I like to either use a concealer, or I do have an eyebrow pencil. And again, this is by ABH. And this one is in the shade, if I can find my, oh my gosh, I cannot. I literally, oh my gosh, I can't even see. I can't see. Oh my gosh. I'll make sure to have it up there. But anyway, it's in like a light color. Okay. So you can either clean it with that or clean it with a concealer, and that's it. And I just like to take, but today we're going to use concealer. So I just like to take a little bit of concealer, and I'll put that on the back of my hand. And then I will take a brush just so I have more control of it. And then I just literally go under and just clean up just a little bit. Nothing crazy. All right, and so this is the finished product. Oh, and by the way, this is base 3 by ABH, just in case if you were wondering. But yeah, this is how I do my eyebrows. Something simple, like I said, it's just an easy little 1-2. This is what I found has worked for me. And yeah, hope that is helpful to someone out there. Again, makeup, it's just fun. Practice, 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 So yeah, anyway, I will catch you in another one. Bye.